Today I'm going to show you the perfect companion to your iron. If you joined me last week for Cool Tools, I shared the Oliso TG1600 Pro Plus iron, and I shared all of my favorite features and why I think it's an amazing iron. Well, after I posted that video, I sent a link to my contact at Oliso, and I told her how much I love the iron. You know, I've had it for a while. The steam on it still worked, but it wasn't as robust as it was when I first got it. So she sent me a brand new iron and the subject of today's Cool Tool. So I now have a buttercup yellow Oliso iron, and honestly, if she hadn't offered to send me this, I would still be happy snappy with my pink one because I absolutely love that one as well. This one, I can tell you, is all revved up and super steamy. I'm going to show you how steamy it is. Ready? So I've put my hand on the handle and I'm going to press my steam. I think you can see it in front of my face.